Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Close your eyes and imagine this, stepping onto your patio and finding a beautiful garden waiting for you. Lush plants in pink, purple, yellow, and blue cascade gracefully from vertical planters. Soft lighting glows along the edges. The gentle sound of water invites you to pause, breathe, and simply be. Today, we're exploring over 100 patio garden ideas that will inspire you to transform your compact outdoor space into a stunning private oasis. From vertical gardens to elegant containers, you'll discover how the right design can create comfort, beauty, and tranquility in any footprint. Let's begin this journey into your dream patio haven. Patio gardens are about maximizing every inch with intention. Vertical planters multiply your planting space without expanding your footprint. Layered containers and varying heights create depth and visual interest. Every element serves a purpose. Beauty, function, and serenity. Materials set the tone. Natural cedar brings warmth and texture. Sleek metal offers contemporary sophistication. Repurposed elements add character and sustainability. Each choice creates a different mood, a different feeling as you step into your space. Lighting transforms your patio after dark. Solar-powered fixtures eliminate wiring costs while creating magical ambiance. String lights cast a canopy of stars overhead. Pathway markers guide your steps safely. These touches extend your enjoyment well into the evening. Water features add another layer of serenity. A small fountain creates soothing sound that masks neighborhood noise. A cascading element adds movement and visual interest. Even a simple bird bath brings life and tranquility to your retreat. Plantings bring your patio to life. Layered borders in pink, purple, yellow, and blue add color and fragrance. Drought-tolerant varieties thrive with minimal care. Climbing vines soften boundaries and add height. The right plants make your compact garden feel abundant. As these ideas unfold, I invite you to envision your own patio retreat. Do you see a sleek vertical garden with minimalist plantings, or a cozy container collection with cascading blooms? Would you choose the warmth of natural wood, or does your heart lean toward contemporary metal? Do you crave the romance of vintage lanterns and climbing vines, or the simplicity of integrated LED lighting and ornamental grasses? Think about your space, your climate, your lifestyle. Do you have a sunny balcony or a shaded courtyard? Are you drawn to high-maintenance blooms, or do you prefer plants that thrive with minimal intervention? There's no wrong answer, only what feels right for you. Imagine stepping into your transformed patio 1 year from now. The planters have filled in. Lights glow softly in the evening. The gentle sound of water soothes your soul. How does it feel to have created this beauty in your compact footprint? Who will you share this space with? What moments will unfold here? Your patio garden vision is waiting to become reality. If these patio garden ideas have inspired you, I warmly invite you to subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. We believe that everyone deserves a beautiful outdoor retreat, regardless of space or budget. Each week, we share thoughtful approaches to creating spaces that nurture your well-being and reflect your unique style. Your journey to creating the perfect patio garden starts with a single plant, a single idea, a single decision to transform your outdoor space. Let us walk this path with you, offering inspiration and guidance as you create the sanctuary you've been dreaming of. Take a moment to like this video if it resonated with you. It helps others discover these ideas and join our community of garden enthusiasts who believe in the transformative power of beautiful small spaces. Now, allow these images to inspire your vision of patio garden elegance. Let your imagination wander through these beautiful compact spaces and notice which details speak to your heart.